We've got a fun experiment for you guys today. A lot of you know that Dip Your Car is moving. We are relocating the entire company to a brand new state-of-the-art facility. And with that comes a lot of reorganization. Now, Gabe and I have a shelf out here that has a ton of partial gallons left over from our video projects over the past couple years. And we were thinking about what to do with them. We thought a really fun idea would be kind of select a couple of them that we think would be fun to play with, grab a bunch of partials, and mix them together and spray them full scale. So let me show you what we have today. We have a collection of 3 that Gabe and I picked out. We have ZTS Witch's Brew from 2022. Admittedly, we don't know exactly what that is, but it sounds fun, and it's in matte top coat. We have Purple Haze Performance Series, which is a color shifting kind of purple dominant color. And then we have Atomic Berry Performance Series, which is another color shifting kind of bluish green dominant color. So these 3, depending on what's in this wild card right here, should work together really well. So we're thinking what, like kind of a 1-to-1-to-1 ratio and build off that. So we did give these a little bit of a shake before we started, but hopefully no surprises here. Okay, that looks about like Atomic Berry, so this is what you're dealing with here as I make a mess all over myself already. Thank you, sir. All right, so that'll be about this much Atomic Berry. Put this aside. Then Purple Haze. Purple Haze and Atomic Berry both share very similar color shifting profiles. They have different kind of toner bases to them, but these should go together really nicely. So Purple Haze, yep, see, you can see again, just much more purple dominant here, but with that color shifting effect. So we'll pop in a little Purple Haze, right around there. Set this aside. Now, the wild card, ZTS Witch's Brew. Do you remember even doing a video with ZTS called Witch's Brew?
No.
Neither do I. So it's from April of 2022. Let's just take a peek and see what we got here. Commitment though, whatever's in here we use it.
We have to.
Because we can't turn back, right? Okay, that is not ZTS. I can tell you right off the bat. ZTS is not that dark. Okay, so let's stir this up a little bit. I got nothing. It's got ZTS in it for sure, but it's way too sparkly.
It's dark too.
And way too dark to be ZTS. I can't believe we can't remember this video. Well, it's going in. So let me see. Give them a little sneak peek on this and then reuse it. Is that even possible? Sure. So this is what we've got. It's got similar tones to ZTS, and it's definitely shifting. That's for sure. Okay, well, it's going in. Drop that in there a little bit like that. So far, nothing seems to be clashing. Now this is going to be giving us probably really good color coverage because 2 of the components are Performance Series colors, which is awesome. And it's going over the M3 over here on an avalanche gray base. So let's blend this up a little bit. And then we'll check the stick of truth one more time. Yeah, we got great color coverage. Wow, okay. So we've got really 3 color shifting elements working together. Atomic Berry, Purple Haze, and ZTS, which should really amp this up. This is a color I'm really excited about. It's one that we probably won't replicate again in the future, but to get it down one time, and then we're just gonna leave the sheen whatever it is, or do you wanna seal it in satin or something?
We'll have to see how it looks.
All right, let's see what we come up with. So ZTS Witch's Brew, Atomic Berry, Purple Haze, the Triforce of color shifting. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, as far as the three components coming together, the colors and the shifting seem to really be working synergistically. It looks awesome. This is definitely a color I would have on my own personal car. The finish after these gallons came together was more of a matte finish, so this is more of one of those stealthy, aggressive shifts. If that's your thing, you're gonna love this. The one thing that surprised us is we thought with the Performance Series colors in there, it was gonna be completely opaque, where the base coat wasn't gonna play a role at all, but it was surprisingly translucent. It took 4 full coats for us to get coverage on the car, which means the Avalanche Gray is playing a role, and we get to show you this color combo on different color speed shapes at the end, which we always love to do. So we're gonna take the car outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below, rate it for me 1 through 5, let me know if you love it or if you don't. And if you wanna change the color of your own car, whether it's with peelable paint or permanent paint, we have a ton of colors, a ton of kits. They're all do-it-yourself friendly. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a lot of fun in this project. I hope you enjoyed it as well. I'll see you on the next one.